ducks in a row. To get, have one's ducks in a row means to get everything organized, prepared, and in the correct order. Here are some example sentences. She got her ducks in a row before applying for the job. The wedding is only 2 weeks away, so I spent the weekend getting my ducks in a row. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. She made sure everything was organized and fully prepared before starting the project. She made sure she had all her ducks in a row before starting the project. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.